Hello, State College! After missing a week of your weekly test, I am back. It's Wednesday, so why don't we get this party started?
After 10 p.m. Rainfall amounts around 1/10 of an inch. Lows in the upper 60s. Northwest winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Thursday, mostly sunny. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms before 8 a.m. Patchy fog before 8.
What the heck? Running snail!
This is the National Weather Service Office in State College,
What?
Pennsylvania.
Excuse
The
me.
tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. During dangerous weather events, no weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message with information about a watch or warning would follow.
What was that for?
Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert system.